Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is adverbs. First of all, let me tell you what are adverbs. An adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. You know what is verb? Action words, they are called verb. So the word which adds meaning to the verb is called adverb. Right? Now the kinds of adverb. First one is adverbs of manner, then adverbs of place, adverbs of time, and adverbs of frequency. First one is adverb of manner. That means in this type of adverb, the question arises how. When a question arises in your mind that how this work is done, that will be manner. I'll explain you later on. It's just an idea which I am giving it to you. Then the place. Here the question will arise in your mind. Where? Time. When? When the work took place. Then frequency. How often? How often means how many times. So let's start with adverbs of manner first of all. An adverb of manner tells how or in what manner an action is done. That means how the work is done. The first sentence, the example is, the girl sang sweetly. Now the question arises in your mind, how the girl sing? The girl sang sweetly. How? Then the adverb will be sweetly. The girls sang sweetly. The soldiers fought bravely. Now again the question will come in your mind. How did the soldiers fight? The soldiers fought bravely. Now the bravely will be adverb of manner. Then Ria does her work neatly. Now again the question, how does Ria do the work? Neatly. Neatly will be adverb. When the question how arises in your mind, that will be manner. Just keep it in your mind. Now the second one, that is adverbs of place. Now here the question will, where? Where did the action took place? Right? Adverb of place tells where or at what place an action is done. For example, go and play outside. Now, where? That means outside. Right? The question which aroused in your mind was where? Outside. This is a place. The guests are sitting inside. Where? Inside. Inside is adverb of place. Then I looked for him everywhere. That means again the question which aroused in your mind was where, and it was everywhere. So these outside, inside, everywhere, these are adverb of place. The third one is adverbs of time. Now here the question will come, when? An adverb of time tells when or at what time action is done. That means when that incident took place. The exhibition will be held tomorrow. Tomorrow. Right? If I say there will be an exhibition, the question will come in your mind, ma'am, when? That means tomorrow. My friend will arrive soon. Now I'll say my friend is coming. Then you'll ask, ma'am, when? Soon. It was very hot yesterday. Again, yesterday is adverb of time. Tomorrow, soon, yesterday. Now the fourth one is adverb of frequency. Here, how often. How often means how many times. An adverb of frequency tells how often or how frequently an action is done. That means how frequently, how many times the action is done. Example, I always speak truth. Always. I never tell a lie. Even never is also a frequency. I always. Right? How many times? Always. Ria drinks milk twice a day. How often? That means how many times? Twice. Twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. Once means 1 time. All these are frequency. We should go for a walk daily. Daily. How many times? Daily. Right? So these words here, always, I told you never also, twice, once, thrice, regularly, all these are frequency. Daily is also a frequency. I think it's clear to you. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you.